So we're going to start with question 1. This is section C of multiplication in unit 5. So we have $40 per week and we're earning it for, $45 per hour times by 45 hours for the week. So we're going to work through our process. So the first thing is we start with this number here and we go round to the first number. So 5 times by 0 is 0. Then once we've worked out the first number, we go here again, but we go to our second number. 5 times by 4 is 20. Then we have to remember our magical place value, and then we're going to move to the 4. So now we're going to start on this side. We're going to go to the right. 4 times 0 is 0. And then we have one more number that hasn't got a highlight on it. 4 times 4 is 16. So we're going to put 16 down the bottom. And then we're going to add these two together. 0, 0, 8, 1. Because it was money, there's our $1,800. Okay, so question 2, we've got 14 wood screws. And then he's making 15 cabinets. So we're going to multiply those numbers together. Doesn't matter which one you put on the top or the bottom. We're going to follow our process again. 4 times by the 5 gives us 20. 0 on the bottom. Carry the 2 over as a plus. Then we're going to go 4 times by 1, which is 4. Then, I forgot to add my 0. 4, add the 2 is 6. Then I'm going to put my placeholder again, and I'm going to jump on the 1 times the 5, which will give me 5. And then I'm going to do 1 times by the 1, which is 1. I now have 2 answers, so my final step is to add that together and get my 210 as my answer. Okay, so we're going to move to question 3. So we've got 13 litres of diesel for the trip, and the fuel, he's doing that for 18 days. So I'm going to multiply them together. So I'm going to go 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 1 is 8, plus the 2 is 10. I'm going to put my place value. Then I'm going to go 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. I'm going to add those together, and I'm going to get 4, 3, and 2, and that's my answer. For question 4, I've got 12 nuts, 12 bolts, 24 washers on one job. How many nuts, bolts, and washers would be used on 24 more identical jobs? So just watch out for this question, because what they're saying is all of those together for 24 more jobs. So in this question here, we actually need to do 2 steps. First of all, we need to add everything together. So we're going to have 12 nuts plus 12 bolts plus 24 washers. We're going to add that to get 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So we've got 48 in total. Now what they want us to do is 48 times by 24. So we go 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 4, 32. 4 times 4 is, oh my gosh, what is going on here? Sorry, I keep pushing the pen accidentally. 4 times 4 is 16, 17, 18, 19. Place value, that one's done. 4 times 8 is 16, plus the 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. We add these up, and we get 1152. Oh, I misread the question. I thought they wanted the whole thing. That's annoying. Actually, they wanted us to do it individually. Oh my God. That's a lot of steps. That's annoying. So, just to recap, it's going to be 12 times 24. That's why it's so important to read the question. 12 times 24. Obviously, you only have to do one of those. And then it's going to be 24 times 24. And then follow those steps.